Ako si Aki. Ang liit.
Unboxing! Bulaga! What's that? Oh, unbox na kayo.
Si Blippi yan.
Dito ka, kuya. Ayan, oh. Madami yan.
Kuya Habi, oh. Nagbulangan na ako.
Ayan, ang dami niyan, Habi, ah. Masyadong marami ng box kapag kapag pinag-isa-isa. Sa toy. What's that, kuya? Aki, what is that? Kay Aki, what is that, anak? That's a garbage bin.
Maganda yung kaya
Garbage bin.
Di talaga yan garbage bin.
Garbage bin.
Ay, hindi pala. Akala ko garbage bin. It's pala, parang wala na.
Kuya Habi, oh, merong... Ay, hala, ang ganda.
Patingin. Patingin ng sayo. Wow.
Mami, tamo ko.
Ito yung Happy Meal,
Alam ko na mag-order.
Cute. Ano sa'yo, Clyde? Ayan, anak, oh. Ito yung McDo.
Ito ng Happy Meal. Saan to?
Wala na? May mga yan, ha? Yung mga sticker, itabi nyo.
Sticker to? Ay, ito mo.
Tingnan na. Okay. What's that? Can I see? Can I see that? Mama will help you. What's that? Wala na. Meron pa na. Get. There's more. Wow, it's like a house. Look. Wow, like this, oh. Can I see that?
Felicito mama. Felicito mama.
Unboxing. What's that? Wow! Can I see that? Wow! Show to mama. Show it to mama. One more. Here pa. One more. So this is a Chara, chara.
So, ano bang kaya tumingin?
What's that? Oh, you drop it. Wow. Can I see that? They're the Aki's favorite nuggets.
Wonder what's inside. Hi.
What's that?
What? Another one cooking?
Yeah, that's a griller. Another one. Makukumpleto na sana natin anak, kaso ubos na yung ano nila. Ubos na yung ibang, yung number 1, yung booth, wala na yung booth. What's that?
McDonald's and a chicken nugget.
Yeah, that's Aki's favorite. And what is that, Aki? That's a McDonald robot. Eat ka na doon sa table. What will you say?
Hi, Bebo.
Hi, Bebo. Anong ginagawa mo? Unboxing time. You say it, unboxing time.
Whoa, there's another one for me. This is a blue.
What is yours, Kuya? Where's the wings?
This is the wings.
How about yours, Aki? What is yours?
Turtle.
Turtle?
Turtle. Turtle to me.
Open it, open it.
Okay.
Put the other one.
Okay, now I'll open.
Kuya will help you.
Your favorite.
What's that?
Oh, I see it. The turtle.
Oh, you dropped the wing.
Let's see eyes. And eyes.
Can I see? Can I see? Can you show to Mama? Can you show to Mama? Where are the wings? Oh, you dropped it. You dropped it again.
Hey, Daddy, why?
You put the wings.
What are we gonna fix?
Oh, Kuya will fix your turtle.
Wow.
Ayoko na, Papa. Yay! It's a flying turtle. And what is that again, Kuya? Dragon frost? Frost dragon?
Gusto ko na ito. Wait a second. Wait a second. Oh.
Sige na. Unboxing na. Give the other one to Kuya, ha? Ay, sinira.
Dito sa labas lang.
Open it, open it. Aki, open.
But I like Venom. Venom is so cool than Spider-Man. Hey, what is this one?
Aki, mind your own.
Hey, why is
Why is it the same?
Yeah, that's
Can I see, Aki? Show it.
Oh, this is
Kuya, can I see? Can I see? Wow. Kuya, can I see yours? Kuya? Kuya, can I see yours?
I see inside.
What's inside?
It looks like a bag.
Yeah, it's a...
Keychain. I hate keychain. Mama, inside.
What will you say to Mama? Will you say to Mama?
Thank you, Mama.
What will you say to Mama?
Mama.
Welcome. Show it. Show to Mama. Show it to Mama. Aki. Aki.
Show it to
Aki.
Harap mo, iharap.
Iharap mo kay Mama.
Harap mo kay Mama yung toy. Iharap mo.
Not like that. Na, ang ganda. Pero bakit pareho kayo ni Kuya? Magkaiba yan eh.
This is look like this. When you press it, it's not
It's keychain.
Spider-Man! This is weird.
Ano sabi mo po?
Thank you, Mama. Spider-Man yun.
Show it to mama how it works. Show it. Show to mama.
Nak, huwag mo ano nak, may mata.
Oh!
Oh, ganun pala yan.
Astig! Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.